having a mealworm farm can be a very economical way of feeding animals like reptiles, chickens, wild birds. It's also educational for kids because they can learn the life cycle of these guys, and they're really super easy to take care of. I just have mine in a 10-gallon aquarium right now. Really super cheap substrate for them, or food. Actually, the oatmeal is their food. And then carrots or potatoes for moisture. Just some cheap egg carton thrown in there for their shelter. And just keep them somewhere nice and warm and dark. Super simple. As you can see, we have all kinds of life stages. We have the little pupa. We have the larva, which is the actual mealworm that you would feed to chickens or reptiles or your wild birds. And then the beetle. Also, there are eggs. The other life stage is the eggs, which are really hard to find. I haven't been able to find any yet. And then the really gross bit is this. That's their poop. And in there is probably some eggs mixed in. Okay, here's my setup. I have compost, which is where all the nasty old carrots and dead mealworm bits are gonna go. I have a pot I'm sticking the egg carton in, as well as any live critters I find. I have this strainer that I'm gonna use for shaking out the worm poop, and this will actually keep all the good stuff up here and all the worm poop in there, so that I can just dump this in the compost. Be sure to get out any old nasty moldy carrots. Alright, get started. So you can see all the nasty poo is separated now because it's really fine. It's like powdery, almost. So all the gross stuff is going in here. And then my live guys go in this pot. There's still some good oats in there, so they all go in there. Okay, I've got it cleaned out pretty good enough. And I'm just gonna start putting some fresh oats back in there, which I just use good old-fashioned oats. Just nice, fresh, clean food for them. And then I'll put these guys in. I think some of this, I filled it up kind of high. Well, not really. You wanted a good like 1.5 2 inches. I mean, that's fine. I think I'll take some of it though and feed to the chickens today. They'll be excited. Just put the carrots back in there. And I have a little makeshift screen lid I'm just gonna put on. And that's it. And there you have it.